on and get the kids in the car. Get the kids in the truck, get the keys, let's go. Hit the biggest bank in Chicago. Go ahead with the thieves you know. Remember the thing that I told you 3 years, 2 moons ago. Problems are right behind you, but you're gonna die if you don't hit the road. Keep your lights down, keep your voice down low.